wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LEGO city sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the airport passenger terminal features a jumbo jet with boarding stairs, a conveyor belt, and a service truck to transport travelers' luggage through baggage processing areas, along with an air traffic control tower to see that people and planes make it safely to their destinations. It includes flight and ground crews and almost 700 parts. However, it takes up a good bit of space. At number 9, for an extraordinarily low price, the Great Vehicles Ferry is good for hours of imaginative play, from building the car and vessel to transporting vehicles and passengers between their ports of call. Over 300 pieces offer plenty of room for creativity. It's equipped with ramps for boarding and disembarking, and a wheelhouse with a captain minifigure, but it takes a long while to assemble, which may be good or bad. Coming in at number 8 on our list, get off the beaten track and burn some rubber in off-roading adventures with the ATV race team. 2 rough and ready minifigures can haul one 4-wheeler in the bed of their 4x4 truck and load the other one up on the flatbed trailer to tow from one wild ride to the next. It's excellent value for the money, and you get more than 200 pieces. It's a fairly small and fast build. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO city sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, fire up the rocket booster and venture where no brickster has gone before with the spaceport kit. Open the hatch to follow the intrepid astronauts out of this world explorations, inspire creativity and STEM skill development, and possibly influence a future career choice. It includes a portable launch pad and a detachable fuel tank, but the parts come loose easily. Moving up our list to number 6. For aspiring volcanologists, the Volcano Exploration Base offers a peek into the fascinating study of tectonic movement and geothermal activity. Use the lever to trigger eruptions as miniature scientists and adventurers don protective gear to investigate. It features a mobile operations center, drones with spinning rotors, and an extendable arm on the excavator. Halfway up our list at number 5, with 3 sections to build and 9 different possible combinations. Putting together the fire station brick by brick is just the beginning. Hours of fun can be had practicing daredevil rescues and emergency responses to all sorts of imaginative scenarios. It comes with 5 minifigures and their gear, 3 vehicles and equipment, and retractable garage doors. At number 4, populate a thriving brick town with the diverse inhabitants of the Fun in the Park People Pack, which comes with 14 minifigures of various ages and character types, plus pets, outdoor furnishings, and complimentary accessories to bring your community to life. Use it to create backyard scenes, and it includes athletic and leisure activity pieces, along with picnic and playground equipment. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Once the Great Vehicles van and caravan are assembled, it's time to hit the road for adventures in the great outdoors, with 2 camping minifigures and their dog. Included in the 250-piece set are a detachable travel trailer with bed, galley kitchen, and cookout gear. The RV opens to reveal a playful interior that features lots of whimsical details. It's a reasonably priced assortment. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO city sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the 3-story police station features a watchtower, jail cells, garage, and helipad. It's manned by 4 dedicated law enforcement officers, equipped with a canine unit, chopper, cruiser, and motorcycle for maintaining order and pursuing perpetrators in their getaway vehicle. It boasts an exploding wall and an escape truck with a cherry picker arm. It's great value for almost 1,000 pieces. And taking the top spot on our list. Teeming with cheerful activity, the town square is a destination project for brick builders of any age. Among the iconic shops and storefronts, the Main Street USA-style municipality has its own tram, a pizza delivery service, and a sidewalk cafe where visitors can gather. It includes several specialty vehicles, a car dealership with 3 autos for sale, and a hot dog vendor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LEGO City Sets, or simply click beneath this video.